Hello everyone! Today we're delving into the world of Apple MacBooks to answer a burning question. Which model is the best? Buy the sleek MacBook Air M3 or the powerful MacBook Pro M3? Let's find out together. Welcome back to the Innova Solutions channel, where we love to compare tech gadgets and other products to help you make informed decisions. I'm Ebenezer, your guide today. In this video, we'll be comparing the Apple MacBook Air M3 and the MacBook Pro M3 to see which one comes out on top. When it comes to choosing between the MacBook Air M3 and the MacBook Pro M3, there are several key differences to consider. The Air M3 is known for its lightweight design and portability, while the Pro M3 boasts superior performance and advanced features. Price is also a crucial factor to weigh in on. Let's dive deeper into the specifications of each model. The MacBook Air M3 is equipped with the latest M3 processor, offering a balance of performance and efficiency. It comes with 8 GB of memory, 256 GB of storage, a vibrant Retina display, and impressive battery life. On the other hand, the MacBook Pro M3 packs a punch with the same M3 processor but with enhanced capabilities. It offers 16 GB of memory, 512 GB of storage, a stunning Retina display with True Tone technology, and extended battery life for those long work sessions. First up, the unboxing of both models. Both laptops come in Apple's signature sleek packaging. Think of the MacBook Air as a sleek sports car, designed for speed and efficiency, while the MacBook Pro is like a powerful SUV, built for heavy-duty tasks and endurance. The Air is slim and light, just 2.7 pounds of aluminum perfection, like a sports car that glides effortlessly. The Pro, a bit heavier, is like an SUV, solid and robust, ready for any challenge. Now, displays. The Air has a 13.6-inch liquid Retina screen, vibrant and sharp like the clear windshield of a sports car. The Pro boasts a stunning 14.2-inch XDR display, akin to the panoramic view from an SUV. Perfect for binge-watching and enjoying high-quality visuals. Performance time. The M3 chip in both is super fast, but the Pro stays cooler and performs better for longer tasks, like an SUV with a powerful engine and advanced cooling system. Software and extras. Both run macOS, but the Pro has more Thunderbolt ports and an SD card slot, like an SUV with extra cargo space and utility features. Both have 1080p FaceTime cameras, but the Pro's camera makes you look better in video calls, like an SUV with a high-definition rear-view camera. Battery life? The Air promises 18 hours, while the Pro offers 17. Both impressive, but the Air wins this round, like a sports car with better fuel efficiency. Audio quality dual speakers on the Air, but the Pro's 6-speaker setup is like having a mini home theater in your SUV. Prices? The Air starts at $999, while the Pro begins at $1,299. Pros and conclusion? The Air is perfect for everyday tasks and beautiful design on a budget, like a sports car that's affordable yet stylish. The Pro, a powerhouse for creatives and professionals needing that extra power, like an SUV built for rugged terrains and heavy-duty tasks. So which one wins? You decide. Stay techie, folks. Let's dive deeper into the specifics, starting with the design. The MacBook Air, with its iconic wedge shape, is a marvel of engineering. Its slim profile makes it incredibly portable, perfect for students, travelers, and anyone who needs a laptop on the go. The aluminum chassis not only looks premium, but also feels sturdy and durable. On the other hand, the MacBook Pro, while slightly thicker, exudes a sense of robustness. Its design is more utilitarian, aimed at professionals who need a reliable machine for demanding tasks. The keyboard and trackpad on both models are top-notch. The MacBook Air features the Magic Keyboard, which offers a comfortable typing experience with its scissor mechanism. The trackpad is large and responsive, making navigation a breeze. The MacBook Pro, however, takes it a step further with the Touch Bar, a dynamic strip that adapts to different applications, providing shortcuts and controls at your fingertips. This feature can significantly enhance productivity, especially for creative professionals. When it comes to connectivity, the MacBook Pro has the upper hand. It boasts more Thunderbolt ports, allowing you to connect multiple peripherals simultaneously. This is particularly useful for video editors, photographers, and other professionals who rely on external devices. The inclusion of an SD card slot is a boon for photographers, making it easy to transfer photos directly from their cameras. The MacBook Air, while not as port-rich, still offers enough connectivity options for everyday use. Now, let's talk about the display. The MacBook Air's 13.6-inch liquid Retina display is nothing short of stunning. It offers vibrant colors, sharp text, and excellent brightness levels, making it ideal for media consumption and everyday tasks. The MacBook Pro, however, raises the bar with its 14.2-inch XDR display. This screen is a game changer for creative professionals, offering higher brightness, deeper blacks, and a wider color gamut. Whether you're editing photos, designing graphics, or watching movies, the MacBook Pro's display delivers an unparalleled visual experience. Performance is where the MacBook Pro truly shines. Both models are equipped with the M3 chip, which offers incredible speed and efficiency. However, the MacBook Pro's advanced cooling system allows it to maintain peak performance for longer periods. This is crucial for tasks that require sustained processing power, such as video editing, 3D rendering, and software development. The MacBook Air, while still powerful, is better suited for lighter tasks and everyday use. For creative professionals, the MacBook Pro is the clear winner. Its superior performance, enhanced display, and additional ports make it the ideal choice for demanding workflows. Whether you're a video editor, graphic designer, or music producer, the MacBook Pro provides the tools you need to bring your creative visions to life. The MacBook Air, on the other hand, is perfect for students, writers, and anyone who needs a reliable laptop for everyday tasks. Battery life is another important consideration. The MacBook Air promises up to 18 hours of battery life, making it one of the longest-lasting laptops on the market. This is perfect for long study sessions, travel, or working from coffee shops without worrying about finding an outlet. The MacBook Pro, while slightly behind with 17 hours of battery life, still offers impressive endurance. Both models ensure you can get through a full day of work or play without needing to recharge. In terms of portability, the MacBook Air is the clear winner. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply moving from room to room. The MacBook Pro, while heavier, is still portable enough for most users. However, if portability is your top priority, the MacBook Air is the way to go. Audio quality is another area where the MacBook Pro excels. Its 6-speaker setup delivers rich, immersive sound, making it perfect for music production, video editing, and media consumption. The MacBook Air's dual speakers are still impressive, offering clear and balanced audio, but they can't match the depth and richness of the MacBook Pro's sound system. For video conferencing, both models are equipped with 1080p FaceTime cameras. However, the MacBook Pro's enhanced sensor provides better image quality, ensuring you look your best during virtual meetings. Whether you're attending a business meeting, a virtual class, or catching up with friends and family, the MacBook Pro's camera delivers superior clarity and detail. Finally, let's talk about price. The MacBook Air starts at $999, making it an excellent value for its performance and features. It's an ideal choice for students, budget-conscious buyers, and anyone looking for a high-quality laptop without breaking the bank. The MacBook Pro, starting at $1,299, is more expensive but offers additional features and performance that justify the higher price tag. For professionals and creatives who need the best tools for their work, the MacBook Pro is worth the investment. In conclusion, both the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro are exceptional laptops, each with its own strengths. The MacBook Air is perfect for everyday tasks, offering a beautiful design, excellent battery life, and great performance at an affordable price. It's the ideal choice for students, writers, and anyone who needs a reliable laptop for daily use. The MacBook Pro, on the other hand, is a powerhouse designed for professionals and creatives. Its superior performance, enhanced display, and additional features make it the best choice for demanding workflows. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or producing music, the MacBook Pro provides the tools you need to excel in your craft. So, which one should you buy? It ultimately depends on your needs and budget. If you're looking for a portable, affordable laptop for everyday use, the MacBook Air is the way to go. If you need a high-performance machine for professional work, the MacBook Pro is the better choice. Whichever model you choose, you can be confident that you're getting a top-quality laptop that will serve you well for years to come. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate your support and engagement. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Innova Solutions channel for more tech reviews and updates. Check out the links in the description for additional resources and related content. Thanks again for being part of our community.